Little small damage. Nothing that can be repaired. Keep in mind it's aluminum. Yep.
Since you were a child growing up, 1-800. And it's not about you bringing some bushel back from your respective country and boiling.
Yeah.
Do you know how many grams you're supposed to be mixing? Do you know
We on
how
it.
you should be doing it? Do you know what to mix it with? Do you know what's bad in it that needs to be taken? I have much more powerful than the Violet plus Supreme. Ladies and gentlemen, the number is 1-800-875.
All right. Swapping out the doors now. We actually had to gut this whole door out. Save some money. I ran a wire harness already through the door. Door handle pieces in. Just got done wet sanding. Now we're going to start the buff process. 2025 530 is completed. I painted this whole side and bodywork, driver's side. Can you tell the difference? Nope. That's how we rocking. Stunner Auto Body Repair. Got the 850 over here. Got that thing on through motion. Check it out. That thing on through motion. Got the 530i. 850.